This is Pittu Maker 3 in 1. Today we are going to show how to use this, and this is a very good and efficient instrument. So you can at once you can make Pittu 3 Pittu in using one unit. So we are going to show you how to use this and what are the components of this includes. This is the tub, we call so the pan part of it. So then, so we have to put oil on this, and I will show you. This is the top of this Pittu maker. So this is how. So you can see this. Now there are 3 holes here. Now these are the Pittu bamboos. So you can see this all, and this is how it made. So this is one, this is the second one, this is the second one, and now I'm going to show this is the third one. This is getting fit properly. Okay, now we have to put this, we have to insert. There are 3 inserters, closing inserters we have to put into this. Yes, and there are 3 inserters, and we have to put here, and there is another inserter, we have to put this. And after, what we have to do, we have to fill up the raw material, that is called the flour that mix with the coconut, so, and with little bit salt, we have to mix and get it done. Once it is prepared, it's like this. This is the get it done. This is the material we are going to use for this. This is flour with salt and coconut, craved coconut we have included here. So then once it is pre-made, we are going to fill up this into, we have to put like this. Alright, so we'll see this, and after that, after filling now, so we have to close this up like this. We have to close like this. All 3 bamboos, once it is filled up, we have to close this like this. So this is called, so this is how this is going to be filled up. Yes, now we are filling up this first. We are going to fill up one bamboo here. Properly we are going to fill up once it is filled up. So okay, this is how we are going to, we have fill up this. Again, okay, we have fixed it here. We have to close it up with the lid. There are 3 lids we have to fill up. Now this is how it's making, it's boiling, water is boiling, and the heated air coming through this, and it gets prepared. This is the second one, so we have fill up. Okay, we'll see the next one. We have to fill up the third one. And the third one we have fix here. Now, so there's we can expect it at once, so we can get it prepared 3 Pittus. Alright, so this is how, this is Pittu maker 3 in 1. Now the hot boiled air should come through this from the lid. There are few holes on these lids, Now air, when the air is coming out, you can assure. So once the air is coming out, so then this we can assume this has cooked properly. Now this is cooking properly. This is 3-in-1 Pittu maker. It's very nice, and there is no any air leakages. Very good one. So this is good for business as well as home use. It's from Sri Lanka. You can buy this. We can expect now air is coming. Now this has been cooked properly. Yes, air is coming now from this hole. Properly. So these are the Pittu. So it's tasty, very good smell.